Welcome to J&J's test video for S5 CE301 81,000 mile 2005 C6 Corvette. I'm gonna let it run real quick. It doesn't want to stay running very hard. It runs. It's just all the belts are jacked and it's got some little vacuum. Alright. 81043. I'm gonna turn it off just because I don't like to run them like that. Turn this back on. CD player works. Heater control works. Maybe this. Has the DVD player or DVD nav disc in there. Check the mirrors. Start it. Turn it right back on. C6 is just so hard because you can't test some of the stuff without the key, and then the key doesn't want to do anything. It's just a pain. I'll try one more time, let it run, and then see if the power top will work. Belts are really mad. I can't get the power top to pop. Well, I'll have to mess with it later. So, alright, I'll put it into gear. There's reverse. There's forward. Alright. That's that. Poor old girl. Alright, as always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.